Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create glitch and shake effects to your videos in CapCut. So here you need to add your clips, and then for the first clip you need to go to the video effects, click on the glitch category, and then select the chromatic effect for the first clip and trim it like this. Okay, and now go to the video effects again, then select the color glitch. Okay, this one, put it under the first effect, and now go to the video effects again and select the glitch effect. Okay, this one. Okay, put it the same like the previous ones, and for the next effect you need to add the X signal effect, this one under the glitch effect. Okay, trim it again, and now at the shake effects you can find it under the nightclub category, shake. Okay, put it the same like the glitch effects and adjust the shake, the speed into 10 and intensity only 15. Okay, lastly you need to go to the glitch effect again and add the horizontal glitch effect. Okay, this one, put it under the previous effects but make it shorter like this. Okay, now for the second clip you need to add the diamond zoom effect. You can find it under the opening and closing. Okay, this diamond zoom, adjust the size to 70 and intensity 100. Okay, put it for the entire second clips like this. And now if you have more than 2 clips you can just copy the diamond zoom and put it for all of the clips like this. Okay, and after that under the second video you need to add a white overlay from the stock videos. Okay, make it cover all of your clips and go to blend, then select overlay. Okay, trim the white overlay to only 0.3 seconds, and now go to animation and add the fade out effect. Okay, so you can copy this for the next clip like the diamond zoom effect like that. Okay, so you are done and this is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.